In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Git commits and pull requests in Jira. Whether you're managing projects, tracking issues, or collaborating with your team, integrating Git with Jira can greatly enhance your workflow and streamline communication. Let's dive into the process to access this vital information with ease. To start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your Jira dashboard. Sign in if necessary, ensuring you have the right credentials for access. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a variety of options or spaces that correspond to different projects within your organization. Click on the specific space or project where you want to view commits and pull requests. After you've entered the desired project space, start looking for a section titled Development. This area is crucial because it houses all the integration features of Jira related to software development. If it's your first time inside this section, it might require a moment to locate, but once found, click on it to proceed. By clicking on the Development tab, you'll gain direct access to a collection of key metrics. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll be able to see detailed lists of commits and pull requests associated with your project. This view is particularly helpful for tracking changes, reviewing code, and keeping everything aligned with your project's goals. Having this information readily accessible in Jira allows you to manage and reconcile the development aspects of your project seamlessly with other tasks and issues. However, for these features to be active, you must ensure that your Jira instance is properly connected to GitHub, which is likely the repository service you're using. Without this vital connection, information about commits and pull requests won't populate. To check the connection status, verify that you've authorized integration between Jira and GitHub. This typically requires admin permissions on both platforms. If there are issues with connectivity or if it's your first time setting up, you might need to configure this connection through the settings menu by navigating to the integration or apps section in Jira. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly view and manage Git commits and pull requests directly in Jira. Having these insights at your fingertips means you'll spend less time switching between applications and more time focusing on improving your projects. Continue exploring, and you'll soon find that integrating your development workflows can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. If you found today's guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our tutorials and see what other efficiencies you can bring to your work. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project managing.